Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the career option available to commerce stream. In this session, we are going to discuss about the career option that is Cost and Management Accounting, CMA. In this episode, we are going to discuss about all the relevant aspect of the CMA that you need to know before you opt for this course. So let's begin the session. So let's discuss what is CMA course. CMA is the Cost and Management Accountant course, and it is a professional course that is offered by the ICMAI. ICMAI stands for Institute of Cost Accountants of India. ICMAI is set up with the purpose to promote and regulate the professional course for the cost and management accountancy in India. इंडिया में जितने भी कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड कोर्स हैं उनको प्रमोट एंड रेगुलेट करने की जिम्मेदारी ICMAI की है। काफी लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं विद द टर्म ICWAI, ICWA, CMA एंड ICMAI। इन सभी टर्म में अक्सर लोगों को कंफ्यूजन रहता है एंड लोग सोचते हैं कि क्या ये वेरियस कोर्स होते हैं। सो लेट्स क्लियर द एयर। नो, डिफरेंस नहीं है कोई भी इन टर्म्स में। ये सारे ही टर्म सेम कोर्स के हैं। पहले CMA का कोर्स जाना जाता था ICWA के नाम से एंड ICMAI पहले जाना जाता था ICWAI. ICWAI stands for Institute of Cost and Work Accountants of India. ICWAI का नाम चेंज करके ICMAI रख दिया गया एंड ICWAI जो कोर्स पहले ICWA के नाम से ऑफर करता था, अब उस कोर्स का नाम कर दिया गया है CMA, Cost and Management Accounting. CMA is the course for all those who have interest in the subjects like costing and management accounting. CMA आपका एक ऐसा करियर ऑप्शन है जो कि आपको करियर ग्रोथ प्रोवाइड करता है इन द फील्ड ऑफ फाइनेंस in India as well as overseas also. CMA course can also help you to gain the top level management job also, जो आपके करियर ग्रोथ में आपको बहुत हेल्प भी करेगी। CMA के कोर्सेज बेसिकली बेस्ड होते हैं ऑन 4 pillars, that is strategy, management, regulatory framework and the financial reporting. If you have interest in these subjects, then this course is perfectly designed for you. Those who wants to have the expertise in the field of cost, management and the finance, they can opt for this course. Now this is what about the CMA course is. CMA course is usually opted by the commerce student, but it is available for all streams except fine arts student. It means science stream के student and art stream के students भी इस career option को opt कर सकते हैं. Now let's discuss who is CMA. CMA is Cost Management Accountant is a person who performs services like costing, pricing of goods, services, prepares, verifies, certifies, cost accounting and prepares related statement. It means कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग के रिलेटेड जितने भी ऑडिट होते हैं या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कॉस्टिंग के रिगार्डिंग जितनी भी डॉक्यूमेंट या रिपोर्टिंग करनी होती है, जो रिपोर्ट्स प्रिपेयर करने होते हैं, ये वर्क लाई करता है विद द CMA. CMAs आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ रिपोर्ट्स like material consumption report, material movement report, stock movement report, stock valuation report and MRP decision and also the cost related decision लेने में CMA ही रोल प्ले करते हैं. So यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें किसी कंपनी की कॉस्टिंग में जो रोल प्ले किया जाता है, किसी कंपनी की कॉस्टिंग में मेन रोल किसका होता है, वो होता है CMAs का. CMAs आर दी कॉस्ट एनालिस्ट जो कि हेल्प करते हैं कॉस्ट एनालाइज करने में ऑफ एनी कंपनी. कॉस्ट फैक्टर कंपनी के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. किसी भी अगर चीज की हम बात करें कॉस्ट, अगर आप किसी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व हैं या आप कोई सामान बनाना चाहते हैं तो उसमें आपको कुछ चीजों की जरूरत होती है एंड देन आप उसके रिगार्डिंग प्रोसेसिंग में भी देखते हैं कि क्या कॉस्ट इनकर हो रही है. अब दिस कॉस्ट कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड और सेव्ड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ द CMAs. CMAs हेल्प करते हैं इन कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस करने में एंड द कॉस्ट दैट इज बीइंग इनकर्ड इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस और इन द प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट एंड सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कॉस्ट, इन सभी को रिड्यूस एंड सेव करने में CMAs बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करते हैं. इवन CMAs की ह्यूज डिमांड भी है इन रिसेंट ईयर इन द MNCs. मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज भी CMA को एज फुल टाइम कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट की तरह अपॉइंट करते हैं अपनी कंपनी में to ensure better profitability of their company. इवन गवर्नमेंट ने भी कंपलसरी कर दिया है कुछ कंपनीज को, उन कंपनीज को जिनका टर्नओवर एक स्पेसिफिक लिमिट से एक्सीड करता है, उनको ये कंपलसरी करा है कि उन्हें कॉस्ट ऑडिट कराना जरूरी है। एंड कॉस्ट ऑडिट कराने में कौन हेल्प करता है? CMAs. So this makes a compulsion over the company to hire the cost and management accountant on full-time basis. The next thing is a CMA's job essentially involves an analysis of cost to advise ways to reduce it. As I have already told you, CMAs basically involved होते हैं costing में, and they help and provide the strategic way of reducing these costs, which help the organization to gain more profitability in the organization. We can say CMAs are the expert and professional in the matters like strategic management and the financial accounting. And they provide the professional services in the matters like investment planning, profit management, and overall managerial decision-making process. So we can say CMA's role varies from the financial controller to the chief financial officer. They play the multiple roles in the company and they are the vital person for any company. Now let's see what's the scope of CMA. CMAs works in the following fields, like they act as the system analysis and management, they involve in the management of the company, and they also involved in the system analysis of the company. They work as the cost analyst for any company. They can also act as academics. Academics means they can also become the teacher also. Next, resource management. They basically manage the resources of the company like stock, fixed asset, material that company is used, and उनके distribution process में भी CMA एक बड़ा role play करते हैं. Next is risk management. They also help the organization to manage the risk that company may face in future, like overstocking, understocking, and हम कह सकते हैं कि time पे goods available रहना, supplier available रहे at better cost, इसकी जिम्मेदारी भी किसकी होती है? CMA की होती है. नेक्स्ट इज फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग एंड स्ट्रैटेजीज. फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग से लेके एंड स्ट्रैटेजीज में भी CMA रोल प्ले करते हैं. फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग लाइक अगर हम बात करें कॉस्टिंग की, तो कॉस्ट रिपोर्ट जो कंपनी को गवर्नमेंट को सबमिट करना जरूरी होता है, उस रिपोर्ट को प्रिपेयर करना भी CMA का ही काम है. दे ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन द स्ट्रैटेजिक मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द कंपनी ऑल्सो. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी व्हाट डज CMA एक्चुअली डू. They are involved in the decision-making process, manage risk, and monitor the performance of the organization. They help the organization in measuring the organization performance against the standard and regulation and report on findings. The standards that is being set in the organization against which performance is being measured of the employee or the cost and the budget. इन सभी के स्टैंडर्ड सेट करने में CMA का मेन रोल होता है एंड ये इनकी वर्क के अंदर लाई करता है. दे ऑल्सो वर्क ऑन द डेविएशंस. डेविएशंस मीन्स क्या स्टैंडर्ड सेट करे गए थे एंड क्या एक्चुअली में रिसीव हुआ है या एक्चुअली में क्या परफॉर्म किया गया है ऑन द कॉस्ट, बजट एंड बाय द एम्प्लॉयज. इन डेविएशंस पे वर्क ऑन करना एंड उसके रिगार्डिंग रिपोर्ट्स भी प्रिपेयर करना. This report will help the organization to remove these deviations and to know the causes that is creating these deviations in the organization. Next is enhance organizational success by using relevant technology and analyzing the data. CMA basically help in analyzing the data of the company that help the company in saving more, and they will be able to invest in more avenues than before. And also this helps in increasing the profitability of the organization. Now let's see the job opportunities that you will get by pursuing the CMA course. The job opportunities that are available to the person who has pursued the CMA course are these. First, you can work as the cost accountant in any firm. Next is you can work as the finance director and your main role will be to managing the finance of the company. Next is chief internal auditor. All the audit reports that are associated with the cost and management will be prepared by the CMAs. Next is they can act as the managing director also. In your career growth, you can become the managing director of the company also, as you will be having a professional degree along with the other certification and the degree. You can achieve this post also. Next is cost controller. A CMA act as the cost controller in the organization. As I have told you, they act as the cost analyst in the organization. They help in reducing and saving the amount of money that is being spent on manufacturing and processing of the goods in the organization. Next is, they also work as the finance consultant, accountant and the financial controller. These are the job opportunities are available to the cost and management accountant. Those who pursue this course can get these job opportunities in future. Now, some people do what? They supplement their CMA degree with other courses also. Yes, while you are pursuing for the CMA courses, you can pursue other degrees also like BCom, BCom Honors and any other graduation or post-graduation degree that you want to do. Along with the graduation and post-graduation degree, you can pursue this course. This course is like a distance learning course. You do not need to attend this course or pursue this course from a college. You can pursue from your home itself. While sitting at home and preparing for the exams, you can appear just for the exam and clear the courses and get the degree of CMA. You will be called as professional and you will be called as cost and management accountant, just like the another person who is having the CA and CS degree. That's all for this session. In the next session, we are going to discuss about the other relevant aspects of the CMA course. In the next session, we will be discussing about the career pathway and other relevant aspects of the CMA course. In this session, we got to know about the scope of CMA, job opportunities available to CMA, and what is the CMA course and who is CMA.